getting this U, doing the circle, where your left poi comes to the front to go down and the right poi goes to the back to go down. And then the other version where the right poi comes to the front to go down and the left poi goes to the back to come down. I think you can practice all of these. And then in order to ensure that you're practicing both directions of the opposite direction circle, I recommend doing something like, so this thing, this is where my left hand stalls in the front and comes down, or pendulums to the front and comes down, and the right one pendulums to the back before it comes down. This is one version. And then if I pendulum an even number of times, it'll go to the other version where the left pendulums down from the back, not the front. So there's two versions of it, right? And that's how you make sure you get both. Do a double pendulum in the middle between, do 10 reps of one, double pendulum, 10 reps of the other, double pendulum, 10 reps.